This is the Prudent Way model AC90 90-watt universal laptop adapter. I'll give you guys a look at this. This laptop adapter fits just about any laptop on the market. What's cool about it is that it fits so many different laptops that it's liable to outlast your laptop, and so you'll have a spare power supply for a very long time. It's got several different voltage settings on it. Each of these voltage settings light up to let you know what voltage you've got it set on. On our website we have a voltage cross-reference chart that shows you what voltage you should set this thing on depending on which laptop you have. But if you want to take a shortcut, all you got to do is look on your old power supply and it'll say what voltage it is. It'll be 12V, 15V, 19V, whatever it says on your old one. You need to make sure to use this selector here to select it exactly what your old one was set at. Plugs into the wall, and it also comes with all these different tips. Again, these tips are numbered, and we say on our website which tip to use with your laptop. But again, if you want to take a shortcut, you can just look at the old tip on your old power supply and just pick whichever one is the same size as your old tip, and then you connect it to the end of the power supply. Fits several thousand different laptop models. We've been using them for some of our laptops, and it's a really nice power supply. This is the Prudent Way model AC90 90-watt universal laptop power adapter.